Alright, buddy, here's your homework. So, we're going to lay on our back, and you're going to have a belt. I'm using this band. Remember how we talked about the belt with the D-loop? And you're going to slide it through the D-loop here, right? Right over that jammed hip. So that's over your left hip. Over the left hip capsule, we're going to put the belt. And so what you're going to do is, as you internally rotate your left leg from the hip, you pull on that belt strap to open that joint. Okay? You can do that about 10 to 20 times, feeling the stretch in that joint, allowing it to open up. Okay, you'll keep pulling across and rotating that foot and all the way up to the hip, rotating that hip internally. That's what opens the joint. Okay? After you finish opening the joint, what we're going to have you do here is you're going to push your heels into the floor about 10 or so times to activate your spinal erectors. And then you're going to flex your core about 10 times to activate your abs. So I'll show you what this looks like. So you'll lay on your back. You'll just push the heels into the floor. Pushing the heels into the floor to engage the entire back chain. About 10 times, feeling the muscles activate. Then you'll bring your knees up and just kind of do some little mini crunches. Not from the neck, but from the torso. Trying to bring your chest towards your knees without your neck. Just a few times, small movements just to engage the abdominals. Nice, slow, and controlled. So it's better to do these smoother than fast. Okay, so after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the right side of your hip, that front side of your hip. And I'll conveniently use one of my friends' Stop Chasing Paintballs. And you're going to go to the right side of your hip right here and roll out on that tight hip flexor you had. Remember? So you're going to get on top of it, just like that, put it under your hip, and roll out on top of it. Once you feel a good release, which might take anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, you'll actually feel that area relax and kind of soften up. Once you get a good release, you'll roll back over onto your back and do a few butt squeezes. So just squeeze your butt about 9 or 10 times, squeezing it and relaxing it, squeezing it and relaxing it. So the goal isn't just to squeeze it and let go, it's to slowly increase the tension and slowly decrease the tension in the glutes. So learning to contract and relax them after releasing that tight hip flexor. Okay, the last thing's is going to be for your upper body. Okay, so for the left side, okay, you're going to go up and under here, and you're going to release in here. And you can do that either with a foam roller or a lacrosse ball. Lacrosse ball might be a little bit uncomfortable, but you kind of pin it and smash all in there. Okay, after you get a good release, you're going to do the following activations. Okay, so you're going to roll back over onto your back. Using the left arm, I'll demonstrate with the right so it's easier to see, but you'll do it with your left side because you release the left side. You're going to push your arm out to the side into the floor. You're going to raise it above you and push it into the floor. And then you're going to bring it across your chest a few times to help activate certain muscles. That's for your left side. For your right side, the spot that was tight was up here in your upper trap. So you're going to come up here to the upper trap. You'll take this same fancy ball, place it under that upper trap, and roll it out. Okay? After you roll it out and get a solid release, the activation exercise here right here, you'll just push that arm into the floor to activate certain muscles we need to engage. So push in and relax, push in and relax. Okay? Should take about 30 seconds to a minute for each one of the releases and maybe 30 seconds for the activation. So overall, the homework doesn't take very long. You're going to do this once in the morning, once at night, and if you can, pre and post exercise if you do any that day as well. That's what's going to help you heal the quickest. Okay? So this is for my friend Trevor, but this is kind of an example of the homework assignments I help to give to my clients to help them activate the muscles within their body and continue the therapy process off the table. because what we do on the table is only a part of it. What's really important is to bring these new movement patterns to life in your body, and you progress from here. So these are very fundamental activations, and then over time I lead you through, or you can lead yourself through, more advanced activations to get you back to global movement patterns, to big picture stuff. Okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and if you're looking to improve your mind, body, spirit, or anything else, please feel free to contact me. Have a blessed day.